Hot on the heels of the Honor 400 Lite earlier in April, the company is now planning to launch Honor 400 and a Honor 400 Pro. We already have plenty of leaks on the two devices, and as far as we know, we can expect a release to occur sometime in May. In the meantime, a new source has surfaced claiming to have the scoop on the Honor 400 in particular. The Honor 400 will apparently measure 156.5 by 74.6 by 7.3 mm and tip the scale at 184 grams. Its body is IP65 rated. The spec sheet includes a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an advertised peak brightness of 5000 nits. The Honor 400 is powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and boots macOS 9.0 based Android 15 OS. A 5300 mAh battery with 66W supercharge fast charging support is keeping the lights on. The camera setup sounds pretty promising, at least on paper, with a 200MP f/1.9 main unit, a 112° 12MP ultra-wide camera on the back and a 50MP f/2.0 selfie camera. The source claims that the Honor 400 will come in two color options, black and gold/gray. Memory options will include 8GB per 256GB and 8GB per 512GB, and the suggested price is €499 for the 256GB one.